Ladder against a wall. Right triangle problem. A ladder of length c equals 13 is leaning against a vertical wall. The base of the ladder is b equals 5 units away from the wall along the ground. Find the height the ladder reaches on the wall. Use only the Pythagorean theorem. Before we start, note the ladder does not stick above the roof edge. It touches the wall itself, so the whole ladder, length 13, is the slanted side of the right triangle, the hypotenuse. When a ladder leans against a wall, together with the wall and the ground it forms a right triangle. The ladder is the hypotenuse of this triangle, so c equals 13. The ground segment from the wall to the base of the ladder is a leg, so b equals 5. The height the ladder reaches on the wall is the vertical segment from the ground up to the top end of the ladder. This is the other leg. This is what we need to find. So we have a right triangle with hypotenuse c and legs a and b. To find the leg a, use the Pythagorean theorem. Formula: a equals square root c squared minus b squared. Substitute: a equals square root 13 squared minus 5 squared equals square root 169 minus 25. Evaluate: a equals square root 144 equals 12. We take the positive root because a length cannot be negative. Answer: the height the ladder reaches on the wall is 12.